everybody! Welcome back to Master Designs. In this episode, we're going to be drawing Yamper from Pokemon Journeys. Alright. Okay, when drawing Yamper, we must start with the eyes. Okay, then you just draw the diamonds in it. When drawing his eyes, you must draw the diamonds in it.
What? They're all thinking.
Okay.
Hey, this is a tribute song, not the actual show.
Oh, okay. Brother-sister combination with announcer.
And here's his yellow part.
To increase their supply.
Hired by Zanji, she's the princess, not the queen.
Taking out all evildoers, cause we are the good guys. We're warriors for hire. Magic swords, we're bowling evil.
Okay, now we just draw the ear.
Warriors for hire. Amber and Mariah's, don't you try to fight us. Riboflavin citizens.
Never think that we will win.
Prohias on accordion.
Vamba says awk.
Grok keeps landing on his wings.
Pissing off the Dino King, but we'll keep on questing.
Because magic swords rock. Magic used by which way? Fill the thief.
There we go.
Lady in the purple hood sends us to the darkest wood.
Family motto we proclaim, not just a job, it is our name across the land. Sword in hand, this is best blood. We're warriors for hire.
Now we just draw this part here.
Evil things we're doing. We're warriors for hire.
Vamba.
And Prohias, don't you try to find us. Rad rocket, chainsaw, electric eel, lobster claw, slingshot, celery, blow dryer, and mommy.
Dummy slime, giant egg, sleeping dragon, boomerang, nail clipper, water gum, Excalibur.
Come get some. Dolphin is an animal.
The ladder is retractable.
Zombie pumpkin bling bling.
Oinkus is a thing.
Hover swords exploding bubble ground pound making rubble. Click them all and watch them fight. Cartoon Network Thursday night. We're warriors.
There we go.
Fire. Magic swords we're bowling. Evil things we're doing. We're warriors.
There's Yamper's tongue.
And Prohias, don't you try to fight us. We're warriors for hire. Magic swords we're bowling. Evil things we're doing. We're warriors for hire.
There we go.
Amber and Prohias, don't you try to fight us. Yeah, mighty magic swords.
Oh, shut up, Prohias.
Aw, stop being a mean meanie.
Stop being like you're 5.
Oh, you're not wearing any pants.
I hate pants.
Well, what's with that accent?
You always have to have the last word. Music is fading.
There we go. Here are a few facts about Yamper. He's Chloe's partner. He's an electric type. He will only obey his trainer because it wants treats. You know what Yamper's should be first name? You know what Yamper's first word should be? Treats. Yeah, Chloe should have named him Treats. And I know a fact about Chloe. I know her true purpose is to explore the world, and she feels like she isn't part of the action. She wants to be able to explore the world on her own and not be held back by Pokemon. Oh wait, I'd rather not say that out loud. I feel like that is Chloe's goal. I feel like she and Yamper want to explore new places and discover the world for themselves. That's what her purpose is. Okay. Alexa, play The Journey Starts Today.
The Journey Starts Today.
Okay.
Theme from Pokemon Journeys by Walk Off the Earth and Pokemon on Amazon Music.
Alright, now we just draw his body. Now we just draw his lower half.
Journey starts today. Journey starts today. It's a big world, but you know where to find me. We'll be together and we're gonna do it our way. We'll discover we believe in each other. On adventures with my friends like every day. Don't rise in.
There we go.
To shine a light on what the day ahead is.
Now we just draw the lightning bolt on his tail. And the first move I saw Yamper use was Spark. And done. That's how you draw Yamper. Pretty cute, isn't he? He looks like my dog. He's more of a pug. if you ask me. You know, when this guy evolves, it becomes taller and more agile and faster. This is what he looks like. This is what their counterparts look like. This is the evolution chart. I feel like it's on backwards. There. Okay. Anyways, that's how you draw Yamper. See ya!